Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download video from WhatsApp Web. So this is a very easy process. Just go over to your browser and search for WhatsApp Web. You're just going to go ahead and open it, and once you're done with that, it's going to pop up this page over here, and you need to log into your WhatsApp Web using your mobile device. So there's a QR code being shown on here. What you want to do is to go ahead to your WhatsApp and go over to settings on your mobile phone, and then you're going to find a camera that will allow you to scan the QR code for you to gain access. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and as you can see, once I'm done, my chats have appeared here. So I'm going to find a video that I'm going to be downloading on WhatsApp Web. So here we have a video. I'm just going to click it. So once you're open the page here, on the top right corner, you can see there is no download icon. Now, the way it works is you have to play the video all the way through for it to appear. So I'm just gonna fast forward the duration of the video. So I'm playing the whole video from beginning to end. So once it's done, the download button should appear on the top right corner of your screen. So as you can see, it has appeared. What you're gonna do now is just click on it, and voila, here we go. Gonna click place to save it, and my video has been downloaded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the video just to show you that it actually works. Yeah, there's our video. Make sure to smash that like button if this video helped you, and consider subscribing to our channel for further updates on everything tech. Peace.